back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Deneatreslatreec. I am a wife and working mom to 4 beautiful children. On my channel, you can expect to see weekly vlogs, day in the lives, get ready with me, a little bit of cleaning, and a whole lot of things. So if you are into any of that, go ahead and hit that fabulous subscribe button and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. So today, y'all already know what's about to come at you. Y'all seen that thumbnail. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me hair. They sent your girl over this cute and jazzy, sassy little bob unit. It is absolutely amazing. It is so cute and so stylish. And honey, y'all see them girls? Do y'all see them girls? Them girls are popping, honey. Popping. Yeah. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This unit is a 13x4 slick back, short, curly, compact lace frontal wig, honey. It is 100% virgin human hair. It can last for up to a year and it's 150% density. The hair color is natural black and it does have a pre-plucked hairline. Yes, it can be dyed, and it does have an attached strap and an adjustable strap as well. It comes with 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle and 1 in the back. The circumference of this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium size cap. The lace is a Swiss lace and it's in the color medium brown. And like I said, the lace area is 13x4. You will have sufficient parting space and it's affordable, y'all. Affordable HD lace. So yes, honey, you will love this cute, pretty, soft unit. It is so soft. The curls are popping, y'all. The curls are popping. So you know they sent your girl over some goodies. So let me show you what they sent me. So they sent over this cute little pouch with all their goodies in. They sent over this lovely head wrap, a mirror. I absolutely love this mirror. It is so cute. And baby hairbrush comb combo, a wig cap, because you know we always need our wig caps. So yeah, if you are looking for something that is very sassy and jazzy, this is your unit right here. It's also lightweight. You see how full it is. It is very full, but it's lightweight, so it doesn't feel like you have a lot of hair on. It also looks good wet as well as dried. You want to have a flirty unit, this is your unit right here. I think it can go well with any occasion. So if you are interested in seeing just how I laid this unit and how it came right out of the box, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I am going to spray the front of it just to, you know, get all the hairs out of the way. Alright, so I got the hair clipped back. That hairline looks really good. It looks really good. Liking the hairline. Next, I'm going to spray it down. So I got to be spray. Doing a little different this time. Just spraying it along the hairline. Then I am going to put on my little strap here. Alright, so while I'm letting this melt down onto my scalp, I'm going to work on these curls a little bit. Alright y'all, I like this little cutie. It's so cute. So I want to spray it all over now, get it nice and wet. Next, I am going to use my Olive Mirror Curl Anti-Breakage Foam Setting Mousse, and I'm just going to put it all over the hair. Do y'all see them curls? These curls are popping. Next, I'm going to use my Kin 2 Natural Hair Dry Defining Moisture Seal Gel. I love using this gel. It holds down the curls, so I don't have to like refresh the curls every day. It lasts like, I don't have to refresh the curls for like 2-3 days. Like, this stuff is really, really good. I'm gonna get my dimming brush and we're gonna just comb this out. All right, y'all, these curls are really, really good. I'm going to take this band off. I'm gonna clip this back for now, get it out the way. Take this off. So I got my eyebrow razor and we're gonna just cut this lace. Now I'm about to diffuse my hair because, you know, I like my curls. I like my hair to be big, so we're gonna do that. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. This unit is so cute. This unit is so adorable. It's so sassy. It's jazzy. It is, yes, baby. She is all there. She is some kind of cuteness, honey. Some kind of cuteness. This is another one that needs to go in your wig rotation, honey. Yes, you're gonna be wearing her all week at work and you're gonna look so cute. You're gonna feel so just light and fabulous and just amazing. These curls on here, baby. Baby, you can't tell me how good these curls are. Like, look at these curls and then look at this hairline, honey. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that, honey? Put you on a flirty little dress to go on a date night and you're gonna feel fabulous in this. Absolutely fabulous. So let me show you the back. There you have it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are interested in this unit, please check out the description box below for all the details. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.